Morning children, back to the classroom. Today we have class 3rd English. Okay, already we just started our chapter 6, I think. Okay, chapter 6. Okay, so already I had just explained the lesson. So today we have the textual grammar and rest of the choose the correct option and one word question answer and think and answer question answer word meaning. That's everything I will keep in classroom app. So let's have the class about textual grammar. So here we have make new words by adding un and full as required. As required means wherever it needs, there you have to add. Okay, wherever it requires, कहाँ कहाँ पे इसका ज़रूरत है उधर आप ये वर्ड ऐड करके न्यू वर्ड्स बनाना. अब यहाँ पे देखो KIND kind already it's a word, so we have to make a new word by adding UN or FUL. So where you have to add UN and FUL. We cannot say that full kind, isn't it? Yeah, we cannot say full kind, but can say that unkind. That's the opposite of kind. Okay, so we just say unkind. So we just write here un. So can you write now? So ma'am is going to write for you. Un. Okay, again next wise. Wise means buddhiman. Okay, so we have to make a new word by adding un and full. So as usual we cannot make a word by adding full with a wise, full wise, but we can add un. So unwise. I think it's the opposite of wise, you can write. Other words also we can use, but some kinds of words we can use the opposite words by using un and full. Again here truth. So but here we cannot use truth un. Can we? No. So we can use here full. So truth full. So we made a new word here. See, full, truthful. Again we have the next word familiar. Full familiar will not come. So I am just having a word here un. So unfamiliar. Again next we have the word wonder. So I just add here full. So we can call a new word that wonderful. Again care, we can use the full, that's the careful. Understand? So by giving this un and full, we have to make a new words by putting this special word. So unkind, unwise, truthful, unfamiliar, wonderful and careful. Okay, see now, when we add un to a word, we mostly form its opposite. For example, opposite. ओके, मैम ने पहले भी बोला है कोई भी वर्ड्स के पहले हम अन यूज़ करते हैं ना, जो सेम वर्ड की ऑपोजिट वर्ड हम बना दिया होगा. ऑलरेडी हमने वर्ड बना दिया. ओके, ओनली अन. कहाँ पे हम अन यूज़ किया है, जो वर्ड हमने बोल देंगे जो सेम वर्ड की ऑपोजिट वर्ड. इधर देखो हैप्पी. सो इसकी मैंने इसके दूसरा ऑपोजिट वर्ड होता है सैड, बट अन ऐड करके हमको बोलना है unhappy. So this is the opposite of happy. So some words are given here: safe, healthy, do, lock. Okay, by using un, you have to make the correct opposite words. Okay, by using un, you have to make a correct opposite words.